Hello, we will need simple paper for 7 pieces. With the same side. I take second page, do the same, and just cut. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7. Next we take a square and add it in half again and 1 times more. Yes. And you must do this with the same 7 pieces. Next you paint your leaves from flowers and cut. We receive flowers with 8 leaves. You do the same with each. I'm using first like trafaret for 6 pieces another. And prepare my colors. I take yellow colors and put a little bit, just a little bit in pink. You remember we received 7 flowers before, yes? We take these flowers and how to do this you remember. First we take yellow and after put in pink. Every time you must to clean your brush. Again yellow, a little bit in pink, and we receive all these flowers. And sometimes my color finish, I put more yellow, but if you remember, I always put make like creme with water, yes? Because it's more easy to make nice gradient. I take yellow, put again, and we make 7 pieces, 7 flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah. After, I like it brush for calligraphy from Japan. You can find some else brush. We make inside flowers. I'm using violet color. Yes. And you do again with 7 flowers. All the same. Take all these flowers ready. Next step, you must to cut 1 leaves. Leaves it's for, okay, 1 piece is from 8 leaves. You do with 7 flowers again the same. Take glue. And we will have not 7 leaves, we will have 6. You can put glue like this. Or in another side, for example, you can put glue in white. It doesn't matter. Yes. See, and after we must to play with paper, because in the end we must to have like transformers these flowers. Do with each. Next step, we take first flowers and in last leaves we must put another. But put glue only a little bit on the end leaves, just a little bit, less than me. Next flower we put from another side. Just a little bit glue, less than me. I did a little bit mistake. Take another and put here. Just on corner glue, it's very important. And we continue to do the same with each flowers. just a little bit, and you can put one from left side flowers, one from another side, and one between, and you can continue with each flower to do this. Just a little bit glue. I can try to remind again because I did mistake. And one between. Again. And again. Just a little bit. Only on corner, please. When we did all our flowers ready, and you must put only on the corner like I told you before, just a little bit on the corner. Yes, you put in paper in middle. Try to show it you. Yes, and from another side you put a little bit on the corner too. You see how I do? Just a little bit. Yes, and our flowers is ready. Yes, somewhere I put less, more. And how to paint leaves, I think you remember before we have lessons. But I can try remind to you, I'm using squirrel brush. Usually it's number 1, 2, 3, 4, not so often. It's all small size. I did explanation in lessons before how to paint leaves. I like to use these two kind green. It's more cold. And I'm using for this decoration Japan simple brush for calligraphy. Small size, of course. You must find small size, not big. Now it will be some small magic. And only your fantasy have to do. Yes. You can use another green, it's not important, just how you like it. Even it can be orange. You do everywhere like this decoration, slowly. Your hand must be very light. Yes. Again, one more. You take again new color and make decoration. Maybe for everything I spend like around two hours. Yes. Somewhere where is need more decoration, you put more. You can paint some green like you like it, and we have in the end like these 3D flowers. You can send even by post. Enjoy!